Ain't no intro, you know. Got this thing back up. It's running. Thought everything's gonna be real good, but that's what TNT is all about. Testing the tune. You gotta take it out there, break it, see what breaks, see what's not happy, what's happy, make adjustments. So putting the hood down for the first time in I don't know how long years. Hop in it, be all amped up, think about to go make some noise. You gotta. No, it didn't work that way. I'm thinking there's something caught behind the car. Look back there, there's nothing there. Turns out those wheels had a funny offset. They were touching the calipers, the car wouldn't move. So went back to the whole wheels.
I think the alternator's not charging. Alright, and the wideband, I think the ground fell off of the wideband as well. But I'm gonna take it up and down the street real quick. See what happens. The wheels. Alright, so you know about the one wheel that's not good, the one tire that's not good. But then we had another problem. In the front, the wheels were touching the calipers. So I gotta go get some spaces if I wanna rock those wheels by Thursday. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of air in the tire. Take the jump pack with me. It says the alternator's not happy. We'll see what happens.
So this is why I got so many clapped oil pans. I was thinking about even, I don't know, I can't afford to fix the entire driveway because it's massive, and I share it with the neighbor. That's one issue. But
Zigzag across this shit. Like
I was thinking about putting like I don't know, a marker for all the lower cars so you could just follow the trail. You know, where to put your tire placements, kind of like on Forza. And this way you won't clap your oil pan unless you're too rough. This is the first setup.
Oh, she feels good.
Should feel good. And it seemed like it was gonna be a good day. I was smiling. I was happy. I was making some noise for the neighbors. Ain't no exhaust on this. Boom. Trouble.
Shit just died again.
This shit just died.
I didn't even make it off my block.
And I'm pretty sure it's a crank sensor. I already changed coil pack.
AAA's gonna be getting me.
2 times. I mean, I was out of another car. I might just go get a new one.
This car.
But spend, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours going to the house, and a combination of flat
same
tunnel
bullshit yesterday.
and the car just coming back to life. Like,
Changed one coil pack.
Cool down, you know.
Came back to life.
Then cut on.
20 minutes worth of driving.
As soon as it got like,
and it's
hot, whatever temperature it doesn't like, it would just stop.
Fucking sick of this shit.
So I'm pretty sure that's like either the crank position sensor just like dying, you know, on its way out. And then I know the coil packs are definitely good for taking a dump.
Turn left on Turkey Hill Road.
We're just gonna have to like just get them all new, and then put all new stuff in here, and then hope that solves these problems, these little gremlins that are happening. Because I kind of do like this car. It made me mad for a little bit. Do a little bit of a hissy fit.
In half a mile, turn right.
Goddamn car.
Flat tone this bitch back to the house again.
Piece of shit.
Throw another coil pack and another crank sensor at it. And it's gonna run. It's gonna idle. It's gonna run for like 30 minutes. I let the shit run for 30 minutes before I took it out today. Got on the highway, died. Back on right now. It's gonna die 30 seconds. I'm gonna get 30 seconds of driving, and it's just gonna be like, nah. Look, no revs, no tach. This cluster's cooked. Yep. This is how fast we're going. Mark 3 VR turbo. Yeah. Towed back home again. As soon as it gets hot, it's gonna cut off. Dead again.
kind of a crummy morning for a test and tune, but we made it home. You know, ain't no outro.